It's in Christ that we find out who we are. Not in the world, not in your degree. Your education doesn't define you. Your profession does not define you. You might be a teacher, but that ain't what you are. You might be a lawyer. That's not what you are. That's just what you do. That ain't what you are. Oh, come on. If you're a prostitute, that ain't what you are. That's the way the world labels you. You might be a politician, but that ain't what you are. You might be a principal. That's not what you are. That's what you do. Can you get an understanding of the difference between what you do and what you are? You can be a sinner, but that ain't what you are. The world says you are a sinner. You're sinning. You're a sinner. You can be a liar. Well, what's a liar? A person that lies. But God doesn't look at you and call you the way the world calls you. The world is not our God. Why are we letting the world tell us stuff? And that very same world that's trying to tell us what we ought to wear, what we ought to do, what we ought to be, is the same world that's condemning us and telling us that we're not this and we're not that. We are letting the wrong people define who we are. And none of these people have any authority to talk about who we are. God is not blurry about his attitude about you. He is not wishy-washy, depending upon how you act today, whether I'm going to love you or not. God's eyes are fixed on you. God's eyes are not blurry. He can see you and see everything you've done. And guess what? He still loves you. You might be stinking, but God want to clean you up. God said, I'll wash you. I'll wash you. I'll wash you white as snow.